Look no further than the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, locking limited slip differential, rear-wheel drive, stability control, running boards, side steps, split bench seat, tow hooks, diesel. Control the job without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Get into the all-new Silverado.